Hello friends, today we are going to design and create a math board game. For this activity, you're going to need the help of an adult. You're also going to need some paper, something to use as spawns like this dinosaurs right here. You're also going to need some markers and a die. Alright, so the first thing you are going to design is your board. The idea is that you create a board with as many spaces as you like. And in each space, you are going to write a math problem. Remember to write the board with a start and a finish line. That's very important. And as far as the equations, you can do sum, subtraction, multiplication, division. The choice is up to you. And of course, it will depend on the math level where you feel comfortable at. To write the equations, you should ask for the help of an adult. Alright, so I'm doing some of the spaces here. As I told you, you can do as many spaces as you like. Have my start line, and I'm going to start the equations. Today we're just going to do sum. Okay. Remember, you can't write the solution because you can't write the solution to the equation, because the whole point is that whenever you're at one of the spaces, you're gonna solve the problem. And you can do this in paper or cardboard. We did it on this big whiteboard just so it's big enough for everyone to see through the camera. Also, we use different colors, so that way it looks a little bit more fun. Okay, so it's time to play, and we got our pawns here. Natalie and I are going to play, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to roll the die, each of us, and whoever gets the higher number, it's going to get started. All right, let's see. I got 3. Let's see what Natalie gets. Okay, she got number 3 too. Let's try it again. 3 and 6. So Natalie's gonna start. She's gonna roll the die again to get moving, and she's gonna move 3 spaces. All right. Now she's in this space, she's going to try the equation. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Awesome. So she got it right. So Natalie is going to be able to move 5 spaces forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm going to roll the die again. And I'm going to move 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to try the equation. 7 plus 3 equals 9. No, I don't think we got it right. So since I got it wrong, I'm not going to move. And now we're not going to use the die anymore. We're just going to do the equations. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Good job, Natalie. So she's going to move 8 spaces. Okay, awesome. Now I'm going to try the equation again, see if I can get moving. Okay, 7 plus 3 equals 10. All right, now I can get moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we're here together, but Natalie gets to try it first. So 8 plus 0 equals 8. Awesome. Okay, so Natalie's gonna move 8 spaces. She's already at the finish line. Natalie won. All right, everyone. Thank you, and see you next time.